In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a woman feel deep attraction and desire. Without touching her at all, I'm not talking about cheap tricks, not physical moves. I'm talking about creating magnetic attraction. Thought starts in her mind because the strongest Desirito scent begin with touch. It begins with connection. And this isn't magic. It's psychology. If you understand how this works, you can make her feel something powerful, even if she can't explain why. 1. Attraction starts in the mind. Most people think desire is physical, but what makes someone? Think about Yuvin when you're not around a someone. Touch. It's the emotional imprint you leave in her mind. The way you look at her, the words you choose, the energy you carry. Think about movie scenes where two characters just stare at each other. Across the room, no touch, no words, but the tension is intense. That's mental and emotional chemistry. If you can create that, you're operating on a deeper level too. Make her feel seen, truly seen. Most men get this wrong. They think attraction comes from being loud, flashy, or giving excessive compliments. The fastest way to build connection is to make her feel seen. When she talks about small things, her favorite book, a funny story from her day, a weird habit she has, remember it. Bring it up later casually, and most importantly, listen to understand, not just to respond. When she feels genuinely heard, something powerful happens. She feels safe, validated, accepted, and safety builds attraction. 3. Show interest. But don't look obsessed. Women are naturally attracted to men with standards, not men who fall too fast. If she suggests meeting last minute, you don't have to jump immediately. You can say calmly, "That sounds good, but I already have plans tonight. Let's schedule another time." Simple. That shows you have a life. You're not a yes man. But remember this isn't about pretending not to care. It's about balance. You're interested, but your time and attention have value taught for. Use your voice as a weapon. How you say something is often more powerful than what you say. A calm, steady, slightly deeper tone, extremely attractive. Speak slower. Use pauses. For example, "I really enjoy spending time with you." Pause. That silence creates anticipation. It makes your words feel heavier. You're not just talking. You're creating atmosphere. 5. Use suggestive but subtle language. This isn't about being overly flirt. It's about choosing words that spark curiosity instead of saying, "I think you're attractive." Try, "There's something about you that makes me curious. I just can't figure out what it is yet." Now she starts wondering. And when she starts thinking, a buchwit you see in her, she begins investing emotionally. 6. Guide the conversation deeper. Don't stay on small. Ask questions that invite her to open up. It feels like there's a story behind that. Want to share? Questions like that elevate the interaction from casual conversation and emotional connection. And connection is magnetic. 7. Master eye contact. This is one of the strongest tools. Proper eye contact can create a powerful connection. But don't stare aggressively. Hold eye contact slightly longer than usual, soft, relaxed. Let her feel your presence when she's talking. Don't look around, don't check your phone. Look at her warmly. And here's an important tip. Let her break eye contact first. If she looks away, it often means she felt the intensity. And when she looks back, give a small smile. That moment is powerful. 8. Create subtle tension. Attraction needs tension. Sometimes silence with eye contact is stronger than words. The unspoken messages, "I see you," and "I'm interested," without saying it directly. That's subtle. Tension creates desire without touch. Closing this isn't manipulation, Its presence, energy, emotional, control, real attraction, descent, always start with touch. It starts in the mind. And when you master this, she'll naturally move closer to you because you're not just touching her body, you're engaging her mind. Thanks for watching.